Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some various professions that you may have chosen as your career, including how to become, their opportunities, salaries and much more. So today's discussion will be about career in horticulture in India. The term horticulture is designed after agriculture. It not only includes the cultivation of plants but also includes plant conservation, landscape restoration, landscape and garden design, construction and maintenance, and arboriculture. A horticulturist is a person who uses his skills and knowledge in the production of plants. The main aim of horticulturist is to improve the plant growth, quality, nutritional value, yield and resistance to insects, diseases and environmental stresses. A horticulturist is also involved in the research work that includes research on plants to produce new generations. The job for horticulturists starts from the gardeners to designers. They work as growers, therapists, designers, and technical advisors. Scope and business in horticulture are increasing day by day. Floriculture is a part of horticulture, which is a process of cultivation of flowering which is used as a raw material in making perfumes and cosmetics in the pharmaceutical industry. Growing vegetables is a most important part of horticulture, which is very much demanding in India. There are numbers of job opportunities that are available after completion of this study. After this, one can become a horticulturist, floriculturist, pomologist, etc. In this field, one can also become a scientist in research studies. Under this course, you can find jobs in productions and sales, public gardens, marketing, research and development, landscape design, agricultural engineering, pest management, etc. Several courses are offered in the discipline of horticulture. One can start his or her career in horticulture after completing the intermediate or 12th level education. To get admission to Master in Horticulture, you should hold a bachelor's degree, and for PhD programs, you must have PG or master's degree in the relevant field. For admissions in PhD programs, various universities conduct their own entrance examination. If you completed 12th class in science stream with PCM, which is physics, chemistry and mathematics, or PCB, which is physics, chemistry and biology, then you can opt bachelor's course in horticulture or agricultural sciences right after the 12th. You can pursue Bachelor of Science or BSc in Horticulture, which has a duration of 3 years, or Bachelor of Technology or BTech in Horticulture, which has a duration of 4 years. After that, you may go for the master's courses such as Masters of Science or MSc in Horticulture, duration 2 years. Postgraduate Diploma in Horticulture and Landscape Gardening, duration 1 year, and MSc AG in Horticulture or Floriculture and Landscaping. Duration is 2 years. For admission to postgraduate courses, you are required to pass the bachelor's degree in the relevant discipline with minimum 60% marks. Interested candidates can also pursue Doctor of Philosophy or PhD in Horticulture for advancement in knowledge, job and salary. You will be eligible for admission after passing 12th class with science stream. The admission criteria and procedure vary institutions to institutions. Some colleges or universities conduct their own entrance test for providing admission, while some of them provide admission through the entrance test, namely ICAR AIEEA 2020 conducted by ICAR. Several institutions or universities offer courses in horticulture. Some of them are Annamalai University, University of Agricultural Sciences in Bangalore, Kerala Agricultural University, Acharya N. G. Ranga Agricultural University, Tamil Nadu Agricultural University in Coimbatore, College of Agriculture in Pune, Gujarat Agricultural University in Anand, College of Horticulture in Kerala, and Aligarh Muslim University in Aligarh. There are ample of opportunities and career path in the horticulture field. Several options are available for graduates of horticulture. Lucrative jobs are available in both public and private sector. You can apply for the district horticulture officer or district agriculture officer through the examination conducted by State Public Service Commission. In addition to this, you can also apply for the post of technical assistant or technical officers in agricultural universities, ICAR, DRDO, IARI, and CSIR. They can also work as a designer or contractor for landscaping projects or work in the companies dealing with seeds, fertilizers, sprays, and other related fields of horticulture. A horticulturist can also choose his or her career in the education sector as a professor. Those holding PhD degree can apply for the examination conducted by the Agriculture Scientist Recruitment Board ICAR, New Delhi. This examination is conducted for the post of the scientist. Job profiles in the field of horticulture are project manager, gardener, foreman, horticulturist, horticultural education supervisor, assistant manager human resources, professor, and scientist. In the field of horticulture, many job opportunities are available for graduates. Some working areas are field work, sales and marketing, teaching, research area, farming, projects, and irrigation department. Top recruiters in this field are Interior Plantscapes, SHORB Landscaping, Sun Valley Landscaping, ER&M Ecological Restoration and Management, Casa Verde Growers, Greater Texas Landscape Services, IFCO Kisan Sanchar Limited, and Green Decor. An average salary of horticulturist is around $40,363 per year. The figures of your salary will depend upon your area of specialization, location, level of education, etc. As a fresher, you can earn 1.8 to 2.5 lakhs per year. After gaining experience, you will get the hike in your salary. District horticulture officers receives an annual salary of 3 lakhs. So if you are looking for a career in horticulture, wishing you all the very best. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.